dealing with hurt. Most of the time, the person causing the pain doesn't even realize it. In Matthew chapter 18, verse 15 to 16, is a biblical instruction from Jesus about how to handle conflict between believers. First, approach the person privately to resolve the issue. If that doesn't work, take one or two others along as witnesses to establish the facts of the situation. This passage outlines the second step in a process of church discipline intended to restore a brother or sister who has sinned, not to punish them. Loving God, forgiving God. Give us the grace to bring our grievances to the person responsible and not spread gossip or slander without giving the person the opportunity to apologize. May we treat others as you treat us. In Jesus' name I pray.